Everyone knows the aurora dances, but did you know it can also speak? While auroras are caused by solar particles colliding with Earth's atmosphere, some people report hearing faint crackles or pops while watching them. For years, scientists dismissed it as imagination. But in 2016, Finnish researchers recorded sounds matching geomagnetic activity coming from just 70 meters above ground. It's not the aurora itself, but static discharges triggered by electrical fields during intense solar storms. The sky may be silent, but sometimes Earth answers back. Share this rare natural phenomenon. Subscribe for science that listens beyond what we see. Support the channel via our page.